Unraveling the world of bagpipe accessories. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and specific topic in the English language: bagpipe accessories. Whether you're a music enthusiast, a learner of English, or simply curious, understanding this phrase sheds light on a unique cultural and musical aspect. Let's explore what bagpipe accessories are and why they hold significance in certain musical traditions. Before we delve into accessories, it's crucial to understand what bagpipes themselves are. Bagpipes are a type of wind instrument that have been played for centuries across various cultures, most notably in Scotland, Ireland, and other parts of the world. They produce sound by blowing air into a bag, which then feeds into several pipes, creating a distinctive and resonant melody. Now, let's focus on bagpipe accessories. These are items or components that are used in conjunction with bagpipes to either enhance the performance, maintain the instrument, or personalize the playing experience. Common bagpipe accessories include reeds, vital for producing sound, as they vibrate when air passes through them. Drone valves, these help stabilize and control the airflow to the drones, affecting the sound's steadiness. Bag covers and cords. Not only do they add a decorative touch, but they also provide comfort and grip to the player. Moisture control systems, crucial for maintaining the quality of sound and the instrument's longevity by managing moisture inside the bag. Why do these accessories matter? Each accessory serves a specific purpose, from improving the sound quality to extending the bagpipe's life. For learners and players of the bagpipe, knowing about these accessories is essential for proper maintenance and skill development. Furthermore, understanding the role and function of each accessory enhances appreciation of the instrument's complexity and the skill required to play it. We hope this exploration of bagpipe accessories has been enlightening and enjoyable. Whether you're a language learner, a music aficionado, or simply curious, the world of bagpipes offers a unique insight into how accessories can enrich a traditional instrument's playing experience. Thank you for joining us, and may your journey through the English language and its diverse topics continue to be rewarding and fascinating.